How are we doing? It's Cian and Clark's Cavan here, and today I'm going to give you a walkthrough of some of the petrol and diesel used mowers we have in stock. Here we have an Cian C80 2016 model, very tidy machine, comes with a 48-inch deck. We also have a 300 litre collector. As I said, it's a very tidy machine, and if you need any more information, my number is below. Here we have a Honda HF 2417 2019 model, 17 horsepower, hydrostatic transmission, comes with a 40-inch deck, mulching built in, and it also has a 300 litre grass bag collector. And if you need any more information, just click the number below. Here we have a ZD 326, 2009 model. It's a very tidy machine, comes with a 60-inch deck, 25 horsepower, ideal mower for anyone looking to start out. And if you have any more questions, feel free to call me or text me with the number below. If you need any more information, feel free to check out our website for any more information of the mowers we have, or give myself a call with the number below.